If investors weren't spooked by the U.S. stock market sell-off on Friday, they're almost certainly wishing they'd put in for a three-day weekend. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 4.6% on Monday, and it's down 8.5% since its high point on January 26th. That means stocks are now cheaper, but the value of retirement and investment accounts has dropped, making Americans poorer, at least on paper. Some market watchers fear the U.S. could be on brink of recession, but not everyone agrees.
In reality, it feels that way, but it's not really to the point where we can say it's a repeat of 1987. Now, I think investors need to be calm. I think they have to look at the whole picture, and the economic picture remains quite strong.
While traders dumped everything from energy to finance and tech stocks, the U.S. President Donald Trump said nothing. Just last week, Trump was bragging about the stock market's strength. But in Cincinnati, he was celebrating tax cuts and accusing congressional Democrats of trying to sabotage the economy.
Somebody said treasonous. I mean, yeah, I guess why not? Can we call that treason? Why not? I mean, they certainly didn't seem to love our country very much. But you look at that, and it's really very, very sad.
Later, White House aides released a statement downplaying the market turmoil and praising the president's focus on tax cuts and deregulation. Still, Barack Obama's former press secretary, Jay Carney, taunted Trump on Twitter. Quote, "We never boasted about the stock market because we knew two things. One, the stock market is not the economy. And two, if you claim the rise, you own the fall." The stock sell-off comes at a time of change at the U.S.'s central bank. On Monday, Jerome Powell was sworn in as the Federal Reserve Chairman, replacing Janet Yellen. She had been criticized for not raising interest rates quickly enough to curb inflation. But now economists will be watching how Powell keeps the U.S. economy humming and investors from panicking, a difficult test in his first days on the job. Rosiland, Al Jazeera, Washington.